All right, we are on day 4. We are almost done. And today I saved the kitchen for Saturday because I believe for me, this is like one of the biggest projects for sure. Maybe it's not for you, but it definitely is for me. So the kitchen, where all the action happens, where all the love is and all the food is and all the stuff is. So where are we gonna make sure, first of all, if you haven't already, go to reallifemo.com. Download your checklist. There's a free checklist that's going to keep you on track on all the different areas of each room. 5 rooms in 5 days. We're getting after it. Again, if you have not wrapped up the past couple days, finish. Go on your schedule. Do your thing. This is your deal. You are cleaning your house. I'm not in charge of you cleaning your house, and I'm not coming to do that. I can hardly do my own. So today's the kitchen. So I'm looking at my checklist right now, and here's where we are gonna start. We're gonna start emptying each cabinet and drawer. Let's just start big, right? Let's just do it big. So we're gonna take everything out. We're gonna vacuum the inside and wipe them out, each cabinet and drawer, with a damp cloth. Put back only the items that you need and that you're gonna use, and donate the rest. Other people can use the stuff that you're not using. So let's just be real. I'm talking to myself. Let's be real and just get rid of the stuff that we don't need. Kind of like the panini maker that I really don't even know has ever been used. I don't know. Don't ask my husband. He will tell you that that was a total waste, and that was an impulse purchase, I think, at a hardware store of all places. So anyway, okay, and then we are going to move on to the refrigerator. Empty everything out. I love doing this. I don't know why, but there's such satisfaction in like actually removing everything and then literally cleaning every drawer and every shelf and every bin and empty everything out. Check expiration dates and toss or keep. So make sure that you are staying on top of that. Scrub each shelf before putting items back, and scrub the items too, because things leak. We're moving on to the microwave. Remove the pieces that you're able to, so take anything out that you can. Scrub the inside from the explosions, like I said, of the pasta sauce, and just wipe it all down. Coffee maker, descale the insides. If you have a Keurig or if you have a regular one, whatever, just descale. I use white vinegar, and then you just process that through, and then make sure you run it many times with regular water, so that you don't taste the vinegar in your next coffee. Let's see, make sure you run several pots, clear out the vinegar, and then your pantry, go through your entire pantry. Again, pull everything out, look at expiration dates, pitch the stuff that is like from years and years ago. I don't know who that was for, but I just found something from, I think, 2018. So stuff needs to go. We just need to do it. And again, if there are foods in your cabinet that you are just not going to eat, you just know, like, that is not going to be eaten or whatever, donate it. Somebody will eat that. So check expiration dates, and then put everything back in beautiful. Then your vitamins and supplements. This is a big thing. People don't often pay attention to this, but they also have expiration dates. So make sure you're looking at each of your vitamin and your supplement containers. Keep the things that you're currently actively using, the stuff that is in your normal routine. And then again, donate the stuff that maybe to a family member or a friend, if you know that they're gonna like this kind of vitamin or whatever. If it's just something that you're not gonna use, then just get rid of it. Again, check expiration dates. Appliances, take your stainless steel or multi-purpose cleaner and just wipe everything down and clean everything. The counters, pull everything away from the wall and clean it. I don't like the toaster is so, it's just so dirty. It just has so many crumbs and so many things in it. So just clean everything and it'll be good. And then finish by sweeping and mopping the floor. So that is the kitchen. Keep me updated. I can't wait to see everybody working and cleaning and organizing, and post pictures below. Let me know how things are going. And tomorrow's our last day, so excited for that. All right, see you later.